it's Jennifer from Sea Lemon. I have a new doodle challenge for you guys, and this time it's with gemstones. There's a free printout which you can download in the description below. It comes in US letter size and A4 size. You can print it out and doodle away, or you can write the prompts in your own sketchbook if you prefer. I thought this would be a really fun theme to try. I included 30 gemstones in the challenge, but there are so many gemstones out there, and you might need to search some of the names to see what they look like, but I also thought that would be fun to learn more about the minerals and the rocks, so I hope you guys have fun with this. In case you're new to this, the challenge is to doodle a prompt every day for the 30 days, and since there is no month assigned to it, you can really start this whenever you want, or if you want to hold yourself more accountable, you can start it at the beginning of the month. You can use the gem shape as a guide, but you don't have to stick to it. You can cover it up if you want to, or doodle around it if you want. And be sure to share your doodle challenge sheets or your prompts in your sketchbooks with hashtag SeaLemon. I love seeing your doodles. I primarily see your posts on Instagram and Twitter, but you can share this on any of your preferred social links. And the posts that you're seeing now are from the iDoodle challenge. It was so fun to see your posts. You can still take the iDoodle challenge if you want to. I'll put that link in the description below. And I will be reposting and retweeting some of my favorites on this challenge throughout the month. And I am just going to let this montage roll because there are so many and I want to share them on this video. And if you want more doodle fun, I have some stuff going on my Patreon, including a weekly doodle prompt reward and also a reward for my doodle book, which I am still working on and I'm making progress on it. It's a 1-year doodle challenge book, which I plan on sending to print this year, thanks to my Patreon sponsors. If you want to contribute toward the project, get your name printed on a doodle thank you page, get a copy. All of the details are in the Patreon link, which I will put up here and also down below. I do plan on putting this book up for sale and making it available to all of you, and once I get closer to that within this year, I will definitely make a video about it showing all about the book and where you can find it. The Patreon rewards and sponsor button on this channel are just extra ways to help support this channel, which allow me to post more videos that are free for you to watch on YouTube. But if you can't afford it, don't feel obligated to spend your money. There are other free ways you can support this channel by subscribing and tapping that bell icon so you get notified when I post a new video. If you haven't done that, definitely do so. And I will also put all of the doodle challenges in this playlist over here. You can find all of my past ones in there. Links will be down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy doodling, bye!